Hello viewers, in today's video we will learn how to create a barcode and also we will learn how to read this barcode basically. Okay, so the main task today is how to create a barcode in Word. Okay, so in front of us you can see this is a format, okay, that is used to create a barcode. Okay, now let us understand some of the things that how can we create a barcode. So the first of all, the task is you will write like this, okay, and this is the barcode which is being created. Okay, now these barcodes works mainly in 2013, 16, 19. Okay, the old versions probably fail. Okay, now the barcode installed like Code39. Okay, sometimes it's code 1235, or it's also 12 written as 12345 also. Okay, so what we have to do is you will simply type Ctrl+Fn and then F9. So you will get something like this. Okay, now you would say display barcode, okay, and then you will type, okay, and then you will give something like this, okay, and also instead of this you can type your name, okay, like Ahmed, okay, and then type code 128. Okay, so previously we typed Control F9, now we will just type F9, and this is the barcode that we created. Okay, now how to read this barcode basically. So to read the barcode, what we have to do is we have to connect to the scanner, okay, and usually we type here code 128, code 139 also works, okay, and also it depends on the font size of the barcodes, okay, and is basically read by converting the patterns of bar and spaces into a number using a scanner or a camera app. Okay, so the black bar here, you see the black bar will absorb light and white spaces will reflect the light. The sensor measures the width of the bar and gaps, okay, and the pattern is decoded first of all if it's code 39, so the group of bar and spaces represent letters and numbers. Okay, so this is the way you can display a barcode and read the barcode also. Okay.